Hello everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today is a busy book for my 7-year-old and it's a challenge level. Means the level is really beyond all the concepts. Concepts are basics: money, visual understanding, round of concept, fractions. The concepts are very simple. So basically, she was already doing good in these concepts. So I want to challenge her to next level. Also, so that is why I don't expect her to do all these things, but they're the complicated level of questions for a 7-year-old. That's all I wanted to say. So the topics are very simple, but yeah, level is not easy. The rounding off concept. Again, we have already done an intro level where I told that 30 goes. We bring it to nearest tens or nearest 20s level. So here we are doing with decimals. So I want her to reduce it to one less, like 1.23 will go to 1.2. 1.46 will go to 1.5. 2.39 will go to 2.4. 5.12 will go to 5.1. So basically, it's a simple round of concept. I wanted to bring it to nearest zeros, but we are doing with decimals. So yeah, it's a new concept for her. Again, I'm not testing her here. I'm going to teach some new topics, so that's a challenge level. These kind of questions we have done, in the Montessori, those kind of things that, visually she has to draw the same thing. But what I did two shapes, one with a black color, one with a red color. So it's a confusing for a 7-year-old. First we'll draw the first is dot to dot line, so she has a struggle to draw dot to dot, and then again red one also has to be drawn, and so just simple spatial understanding, but a little complicated one. This is with the dots, this is with the lines. So here also there is one figure with a black color and one figure with a red color. Thinking it's very easy, but 7-year-old it is confusing, so that's what is the concept here. We are doing fractions. This is a basic fraction. It's not complicated. I'm just asking that how much part is colored, how much part is not colored, how many parts I have divided into. This is very basic. So touching with the basic of fractions. Then we move to subtraction. So now I'm doing 1 minus 2 by 6. So I have a whole shape. You can assume a circle or a rectangle, any shape, and you remove 2 by 6 of it. So basically, a circle has to be divided into 6 parts. And if you remove 2 parts of it, you are left with 4 by 6. So its answer will be 4 by 6. But my girl has to, imagine the shape or draw a shape, divide into it, and then see. So yeah, it's not easy for a 7-year-old. And we are not doing LCM or anything. We are just doing a figure-based subtraction. Same way here, 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Again, we are not doing LCM based, but I want her to draw a rectangle. Will be easier. Draw into 5 parts. 3 parts of it are there, and then you remove 4 part of that, so it will be left 2 by 5. Again, very visual based. If you're not able to understand what I'm saying, you can go back and check the tutorial for fractions I have made, where I have explained how do we visually teach the kids about addition, subtraction, or fraction as such, rather than LCM or multiplication part. So if you teach the kids visually, it is very easy for kids to understand what is fractions actually mean. This is a basic one, 206 tens. So basically 6 tens is 60, so 260. 3-digit number subtraction, it is easy, but it is hard for her. She is not liking the 3-digit concept as such when it goes to addition, subtraction. This is basic division. Divide 40 stickers among 5 kids. How many stickers one get? We do not know tables or division, but we do multiple addition. So basically it is skip counting by 5, and how many you have to skip to reach 40. So you have to skip 8 times to reach 40. So that's what it will happen. Now this one is addition, subtraction, but little big numbers. So a thread is 185 centimeter long. It is cut into 3 pieces. These are not fractions, okay? They are not telling 3 equal pieces. They're just telling it is cut into 3 pieces. Then the first and second piece are each 66 centimeter long. So it means 66. So 2 pieces will be 66 plus 66. Again, it has gone to 3-digit. She will not like it. And what is the length of third piece? So basically 185 minus 66 minus 66. And that's a big number for my 7-year-old. But yeah, I told her it's a challenge level. So that's what it is. The last one is this is easy, but more understanding base. Jack has $10 in her purse She has 8 $1 coins inside. How many $2 notes are in the purse? So basically she has $8, so it only one note is there. So this is easier one. So hope you enjoyed this busy book. Thank you so much. Bye bye.